Yes, Agrim. Take the correct word. Take the correct word. Children study in the classroom or playground. Classroom. Okay. Agrima. We must throw waste in the cupboard or dustbin. Dustbin. We must keep our classroom neat or dirty. Neat. Okay, beta. Alaina.
Yes, ma'am.
How many boys and girls are there in your class?
There are 14 boys and 21 girls in my class.
Okay, beta. Alisba. Amira.
Yes, ma'am.
How many doors and windows are there in your classroom?
There are 4 windows and 1 door in my classroom.
Okay, beta. Good. Anika. Anika.
Yes, ma'am.
Where does your teacher keep the books? Where does your teacher keep the books? Yes? Amira? Sorry. Anika?
Yes, ma'am.
My teacher, or you can say our teacher, keep the books in the cupboard. Okay? Anything, both is correct. My teacher, or you can say our teacher, keeps the books in the cupboard. Clear, everyone? Anisha,
Yes, ma'am.
why should we throw waste paper in dustbin only?
Dustbin.
Why? Why we should throw waste paper in dustbin only? Asaf? Asaf? Asaf, are you there? Devjot? Devjot? Musa, tell the answer, beta. Why should we throw waste paper in dustbin only?
We should throw waste dustbin only. We should throw waste in dustbin only. We in order to keep our class
Okay, in order to keep our classroom neat and clean. Very good. Okay, children, this is clear. Answer is clear. Why we should throw waste paper in dustbin only? We should throw waste paper in dustbin only so that we can keep our classroom neat and clean, or in order to keep our classroom neat and clean. Anything you can write in your words. Okay, Devjot. I think Devjot is not there. Jason Rajesh is there. Jason. Yes, tell me, how many boys and girls are there in your class?
25.
Jason, tell me, how many boys and girls are there in your class?
There are 40 boys and 21 girls in the classroom.
41 boys. Sanvi, what are you saying? Sanvi, what are you saying? Naman, tell the answer, Naman. Naman, tell the answer.
Ma'am, question.
How many boys and girls are there in your class? Come near the microphone, Naman.
Are 19 boys and 21 girls in my class.
There are 19 boys and 21 girls in your class. Okay. So this you calculate. This we have to see. Okay, beta. Pavki,
Yes, ma'am.
how many doors and windows are there in your classroom? How many doors and windows are there in your classroom? Pavki,
Yes, ma'am.
tell beta.
Okay, ma'am.
You don't know? There are 4 windows and 1 door in my classroom.
Okay, ma'am.
Learn it. Okay, Pavki? Sanvi,
Yes, ma'am.
where does your teacher keep the books? Where does your teacher keep the books?
The teacher keeps the book in the cupboard.
Okay, beta. Now come to next page. Page number 58. Page number 58. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the box. Okay, so randomly I'll ask. Asaf, are you there?
Ma'am, which page number?
Page number 58. Asaf will tell our classroom has dash and dash for all students. What does our classroom has? Pavki, mute your microphone. Pavki, mute your microphone. Yes. Asaf, tell me. Fill in the blanks. Our classroom has dash and dash for all students. Anisha, blackboard. What will you write here from the box? Classroom has blackboard. Okay, but what here you have to write according to the options? Desks and benches. Yes, good. Good, Devjot. Manvi,
Yes, ma'am.
the teacher writes on the
Blackboard.
blackboard. Very good. Pavki,
Yes, ma'am.
we should throw waste paper in the
Dustbin.
dustbin. Yes. Anika, Anika,
Yes, ma'am.
We keep our dash neat and clean. Yes?
Classroom, ma'am.
Classroom. Okay, Anika. Now children, this chapter is over. Now write all the answers in your register. All the 4 answers. Just now you all write in your register. Okay?
Ma'am, register with ma'am.
Yes, answers. Question answers in register. Okay? Everyone write all the 4 answers so that it should be revised to you with the spelling, correct spelling. How many boys and girls are there in your class? Question number 1. Write the answer. Agrima writing? Agrima, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer 1 done, children.
Ma'am.
Okay, now do number 2. How many doors and windows are there in your classroom? Alina done the first one. Alina,
Yes, ma'am.
show me your copy.
Ma'am, question with ma'am.
Only answer, beta. Only answers. Alina, you are doing. Show me your work. Agrima done. beta, show me. Answer 1 you have written. Okay. Now write the second answer quickly. Second answer.
And I have done my work.
Who has done? Amira?
And I have.
Okay.
Ma'am, our classroom के कुछ आंसर लिखने हैं.
Yes, beta. Who is this asking? Okay, Amira, it's correct.
Ma'am, I have done my work. Musa.
Yes, Musha, show me your work. Okay. Very good. Lift your register up. Okay, Musa. Correct. Correct, beta. All is correct. Hurry up, children. Now bell is going to ring. This way you will complete your work today. Your language work in books and this social study question answers in the register. Okay. So we'll meet after Hindi period because Hindi period will start.
से कुछ आंसर लिखने हैं.
4 beta, 4 answers you have to write. You have to write the name of the lesson and write the answers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Question will remain in book only. Clear everyone? Okay, I'm leaving the meeting. Bye children.